WolframAlpha Computational Knowledge Engine. Well, this is part 2, and it'll be a real short tutorial on this, but I wanted to show you what WolframAlpha does better than Google, and that's comparing 3 or 4 local items. So if I click on paste over here, I want to compare Beaverton, Tualatin, Tigard, Sherwood, and Newburgh. And when I click on compute, it tells me that we're talking about Oregon, but it assumes that it's Oregon, Sherwood, Oregon, and Beaverton, Oregon. But if you click over here, you could search on Sherwood, Ohio, or Sherwood, Wisconsin. And what it does nicely, it shows you the population. All of these areas are part of the Metro Portland area, and it shows you the population of the Metro Portland area. It shows you where this is on a map, and if we mouse over the related links, it shows you on Wikipedia where you could find information on all of those cities, or you could search the web. And if I click over here, it'll bring back a Google search, but again, not as nice as it's presented on WolframAlpha. And finally, it shows you the approximate elevations above sea level. And we see that Beaverton, actually it's Sherwood that has the highest elevation. Now I'm going to compare 2 stocks. These are symbols for stocks that are traded on the New York Stock Exchange, and here is Seagate and Western Digital. And when I click compute, it of course gives you the full name of the company, what the stock was trading at a minute ago. Then it presents some nice charts on market cap, revenue, employees, etc. If I wanted to look at the balance sheet, I could click over here, and this would bring back the balance sheet of these 2 companies, the cash flow statement. As I move down, I can see the recent returns on a day, on a month, year to date, a year, and 5 years. And this is graphed out. And again, some very interesting data when you compare these 2 companies. You're not going to get this if you use the Google search engine. WolframAlpha, when you're comparing 2 or more items, I really feel that that is your go-to search facility. This is Len Chernoff.